All right. Well, so somehow my sound wasn't working when I was doing this unboxing. So I'll be commentating for my unboxing here. Welcome, my friends, to another unboxing. Today we're checking out this Google Nest Mini, second generation. This can be used with all kinds of stuff, smart plugs and different things to control them, and it's kind of like Amazon Echo or Amazon Alexa. So I got this from Google Fi. I signed up for their cellular program, cellular service, and they sent me this Google Nest for free. So I thought that was kind of cool. It's like a $50 item, and they just shipped it off to me. So it was a nice little surprise there. So let's check out what's in the box here, if I ever get around to opening it. So I guess I'm talking about different aspects of what the Nest can do here. Can't really remember what I was saying there. Anyways, here we go. There's the Google Nest Mini there. Nice little device. It weighs about a pound. There's a little plug-in or a little spot in the back where you can hang it from a hook. The top is made up of like kind of a speaker fabric, and there's a little button there you can toggle the microphone on or off. The bottom is made out of like a silicone, and you can hang it on a nail or a pin or a screw or something. If you want to put it on the wall, you can do that. Okay, the bottom has a nice non-stick rubber, or not a grippy kind of silicone slash rubber bottom on it, so if you put it somewhere it's not going to go sliding around. So it looks kind of sleek and nice. All right, what else do we have in here? We have a cord to plug it in. It's nice, kind of a cool looking cord, nice and rounded. No ground, but it's okay. The cord is pretty long, probably about 5 or 6 feet. It has a nice little cord control clips on there. I've never seen those before, but they kind of just unclip, and you can pull the cord out longer if you want, and then clip it back together. So it's kind of cool. Help you keep your cords organized. That's important. All right, what else we got in here? We got some setup instructions, and let's see, anything else? Not really. That's about it for the box here. Just a lot of extra building stuff in there, whatever. Put that back. Alrighty. So, you can check out the instructions here and how to get set up. Basically, just plug it in and get the Google Home app, and we're going to be showing you how to do that. So, get that started. So, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, here we are, hooking up the Nest Mini. First of all, plug in the plug in the back there, and then find yourself a wall socket to plug that into. Make the cord a little longer. Okay, plug that in. See what happens. We got a couple little lights lighting up here. 2, then 4. Okay, that's step 1. Plug it in. Step 2. Download the Google Home app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Then follow the on-screen steps to finish setup. All right, let's do that. Okay, Google, what time is it?
It's 6:30 p.m.
Okay, Google, where am I?
Your current location is Del Norte County, California.
Okay.
One last tip, I can get all sorts of information for you. For instance, try asking about the weather.
Okay, Google, what's the weather like?
Right now in Crescent City it's 61 degrees and cloudy. The forecast tonight is 55 degrees and mostly cloudy.
Okay, Google, who is Martha Stewart?
According to Wikipedia, Martha Helen Stewart is an American retail businesswoman, writer, television personality, former model and convicted felon. As founder of Martha Stewart Living Omnimedia, she gained success through a variety of
Google.
business ventures.
Stop. So, my
No
friend.
problem. If you'd like
Don't-
to do
hey,
the tutorial again,
okay, Google.
just say start.
Don't interrupt me. You got that?
I can't do that here, but you can ask me to play it on one of your other devices.
Oh my goodness. All right, my friends. So
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Okay, everybody.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Okay, Google, be quiet. Man, trying to make a video here. So, that is how you set this little guy up. Handy little device. Probably going to go put it out in the kids' tree fort so they can listen to music or whatever. And they can just hang it out there. But thanks for watching this unboxing and setup video, my friends. And yeah, let's go on to the final review, shall we? Okay, Google, what's my name?
Your name is ETPC.
Oh, it knows. It knows me. All right, so you do the wall mount, like I said before. Just put a screw in there, and you can stick it up on the wall there if you want it. That'd be kind of cool. Anyways, my friends, on we go. Okay, guys. So as you can see, the Google Nest is pretty easy to set up and get going. If I could do it, anybody can do it. Really, I'm not that really technically savvy or anything. It's a pretty helpful little device. Help you look up things or check out things that you can just talk to it, and it'll find out the answers for you on most things that are fairly simple. Kind of handy. Set it for an alarm. Play some music. So just a fun little thing to have around the house. Control your lights and stuff with it and whatnot. So thanks for watching this review. I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day and take care out there.